Discord released a new promotion called Discord X Meta that will give you a 1-month Nitro.
Now, basically in a simple language, it means Discord is now available in the VR headsets of Meta. If you know what Meta is, they're the parent company behind Facebook and Instagram. If you have their VR headsets, you can get a 1-month Discord Nitro, and this is how it is done.
The first thing you would do is install Discord from Meta Horizon Store. So that's first. Then log in your Discord account, as shown here. As soon as you do that, you should receive the Discord Nitro offer on your screen or in the notification. Now, the rest of the info on the article is pretty much the same as it's always been in every article, like it's not available for some countries, and that you shouldn't have had Nitro for 12 months. And you will require payment method to claim this free Nitro.
Now you know what's really free? Yeah, server decor and layouts. You can join my Discord server to get free decor and layouts, and maybe some resources to decorate your profile. If you don't want all that, it's alright. Just join us to make new friends. We'll be waiting for you. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and help it reach the people who genuinely need free Nitro but haven't been fortunate enough.